Alright, so, oh, got my earplugs in, sorry. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to be working on the bike again today, following on from the seat being covered, the fairing being replaced, and the panniers being done. I've got a few bits and pieces that I'm going to work on myself. Things like washers, bar ends, light bulbs for the petrol gauge, and replacing the badges as well. So I thought I'd film it all as standard and bring you along with the journey. So let's get to it. All of the work today is going to be filmed on the fantastic Drift Ghost X camera. Review will be coming out real soon, but there we go, that's it all set up on the bike. Alright, so as you would have seen, I've got all the new badges fitted on the bike and I'm really pleased about the way they have come up. Maybe not the most conventional way to get the old ones off, but it's the only way I could think of. Normally I would have used a hairdryer, but I used a wallpaper steamer. That's the only thing I had available to me. But they have come up really well. The tank looks really good too. I've been doing a lot of work on polishing up all the fairing. This one looks particularly good, as that was the one in worse condition. But right now I'm going to move on to the washers on the foot pegs. So as you can see, they're all pretty corroded. I've worked on them quite a bit trying to get them up as best I can, but I've had to concede and buy replacement ones. I've also got a new bracket for this, as that's pretty corroded as well. So that is the next job. So let's get to it. Alright, there it is afterwards. I think it looks a lot better just through a few washes. Makes a huge impression. Things I'm going to do on this side include getting the replacement footrest or peg on that side, because that's for a later model, because I want it to be the same as this one. And for everything I've tried, I can't get this thing off at all. I've spent about half an hour to an hour trying to get this pin out, that one right there, and it won't budge. That's the view from underneath. There was a little pin underneath this. There's no bolt to remove it, and without me taking the foot peg out, I can't take this off to replace it. So I'm a bit frustrated about that. I'm going to have to come back to that at a later date. But the washes look great. Onto the other side. I think that's it for this afternoon. Pretty pleased with the progress. As I said, there's only a few bits and pieces. So as you would have seen, done all those washes on both the left and right side, and replaced the stickers, the decals I should say, on the front and the back of the bike, and they make a massive difference. And also really pleased about how the tank's coming up with all the polishing I'm doing. This was a fail. I just cannot get that pin out of the back, so if anyone watches this and has any suggestions, please let me know. I've worked on it quite a bit and it's just not budging, which is a shame because I've got the replacement frame to put all that in, and it's just not going to happen. But as I said, I think that's it for this afternoon, and I'm going to pick this up again real soon and share all the progress with you. So thanks for watching, and speak soon.